look like crap. Or you're already taping.
Yeah, I am.
You should videotape yourself first. That was beautiful.
Why not both?
Hey,
Stop it, you freak.
One time in my past life, I was a purple unicorn named. What was my name again? Wanda. That's what it was. Wanda. I'm a purple unicorn named Wanda.
Oh, aw.
Yeah.
I want to put this on my MySpace.
Really?
Yeah.
Do I look like crap?
No. Sure don't.
I like to make funny noises.
Make one, Alyssa. Make one for the camera.
You like to make funny faces, dude. My face is red from laughing. Don't look at me.
Go with you anyway. Oh, look at Raven.
I'm gonna put my son
Hello.
now that my nose isn't running. Hi!
Hello. Let go of my ego.
You don't have an ego.
You don't have an ego.
Yes,
Shut
I do,
up.
so let go of it.
I ain't holding it. Are you talking about the Lego pieces or are you saying ego?
No, you have to let go of something.
Let go of my ego.
I just spit on you, didn't I?
Yes, you
Did
did.
that hurt?
No. It did not hurt.
So one time I was... One time at band camp.
I shoved a tuba up my butt.
No, really. Freaking...
Circle of life. What?
Oh, it really is circle.
Yeah, no, that's actually kind of a trapezoid, but oh well.
You scared me.
But one time at band camp, what was she saying? She said
What happened that one time?
you did. A girl did.
I turned into an emo child.
You look evil. On. Stay right there, stay right there. Hold up your
Somebody
nose.
said, like, somebody told me how an alien speaks when they want a cigarette or something. I forgot how they did it.
What?
Well, we gotta kind of wrap this thing up,
Yeah.
please.
Okay,
Yeah.
please.
Okay.
Hey, wait. I love you.
Peace.